Now in this video, we're going to demonstrate on how to replace the lid switch. You take these two screws out in the back with your handy 10-in-1 screwdriver, which I've already done. And then you slide the console forward, flip it up. You take your 10-in-1 screwdriver and remove that part. Fits that nut. Take that off. You simply unplug it. And then this is the tricky part. These switches are real fragile and break easily. You have to raise the switch, pull forward on this tab, and lift it out. You got to pull forward on that tab and lift it out. And then to put the other one in, you just do the reverse. You put the one in there, click it down into place, close your lid. You'll hear it click. That's a good sign. And you take your handy 10-in-1 screwdriver, put the grounding screw back in. Do not forget to put the grounding screw. Plug your switch back in. Put the lid back down. And that's it, you're done. You gotta put the two screws back in the back. And now you're all finished with that job, thanks to your 10-in-1 screwdriver from Sensible Products. Thank you, Sensible Products, another tool that makes sense.